right, y'all, so this is what this closet looks like right now. Yeah, it is just a mess. It's kind of a catch-all right now, and I just, yeah, I used to get it together. So in between this area and then this area, which is like also where I collect stuff, we're gonna get these two areas together. So let's do it.
Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down when I hit the town, you should slide on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby. I think you should slide.
Hey, y'all. Welcome back to Tidywittoya. This your girl, Toya. And today we are decluttering my entryway closet. So I hope you all enjoyed this video here today as I get through the mess that just continues to be compiled in this closet. For those of you all that are new, welcome. I hope you all enjoy the content here today. My name is Toya. I create cleaning, organizing, and TWIM mom lifestyle type content. If this is something that interests you, please like, follow, and subscribe. Hit me up in the comments and let me know that you're here watching. And if you are a returner, thank you so much for coming back week after week to look at the video content that I create. I really do appreciate you all.
Something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down when I come in town, you should slide on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby. I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck. I know it's all up. Everything good. Keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all.
Alrighty, so I've taken mostly everything out. What I think I'm gonna do is take the children's coats and our coats upstairs. I'm going to keep the file cabinet in there because I only access that about once a year. I'm going to keep that shelf in there as well because that's actually pretty organized. It has this one has tools in it. The tools is on the opposite side of it. This one has extra parts to anything that we have put together in the house. This one has like screws and nails and stuff in it, and then batteries up underneath, and then these two are actually pretty organized, and I'll show you what is in these. So actually these have nails, and actually the nails are supposed to be in here with that. And then this one has extra command hooks and adhesive, and then this one has glues, which is what that says. So these two are going to actually stay in here, and then the batteries are also going to stay in here. And then I have another one of these shelves that's in the bathroom. So actually what I'm going to do is move the shelf from my bathroom down here next to this one, put some other storage items that I want to be away from the children in here, and then move this one into my bathroom, and then I need to take the stuff out of these drawers because there's not really much in these drawers. It's all stuff that is for the children, but I have places for that stuff to go. So I am going to sort through the stuff that's already out. Like this stuff over here is donation, so that definitely needs to go like in my trunk. Hopefully not to be in there forever. That's gonna be trash. Those are books, and then those are like cords up underneath there. This is our Xbox and the stuff that goes with it, and we typically use the Xbox to watch movies. And so I will get that hooked back up over there. I didn't have it hooked up originally because there wasn't a way to hide it, so the children wouldn't always access it. So we're gonna get that hooked back up. And the only thing that I don't quite have a home for, or I need to figure out, really just may end up still being in the closet, are these USA state coin collectors maps. My grandmother actually collected for me and my younger brother, and so I have both of those, but they're not on display just because you know, if anybody ever happens to break in or anything like that, they don't need to be able to see those to be able to take them. So anyway, but I don't know, they might just stay in the closet because I don't have any other place for them to go at the moment. But yeah, so there wasn't too much in there. It was just all kind of jumbled up. Like, donations could easily be put in my trunk, or they could have another home until they're ready to go. But this closet is really the place that I put stuff when I don't quite know where I'm gonna put it. So I need to figure out a home for everything and get everything out of this area so that, you know, this closet can actually be accessible, and we can, you know, use it for things that we can easily find. So anyway,
I've been waiting all night. Watch you blow up my life. Please don't come over, 'cause you're not sober. Yeah, now you know that ain't right. If your dude knew you was coming over, that would be a problem. Yeah. If our friends knew undercover love and they would try to solve it, yeah. Me and you, what we do, it stays between me and you, me and you. What we do, it stays between me and you. Hey, please don't touch me like that, 'cause you know I'll read it. Don't make me do this, I feel so foolish. No, breaking rules, and that's facts, facts, facts. If your dude knew you was coming over, that would be a problem. If our friends knew undercover love and they would try to solve it, yeah. Me and you, what we do, it stays between me and you, me and you. What we do, it stays between me and you, And I know that when you come along, I'll be sure. If it's wrong, then tell me that I'm wrong, I don't care. It makes me happy, and if you're happy, then let's be happy.
alrighty, so at the top I got scarves. That is a wine bag. I'm probably gonna take that upstairs actually and store that in my room. We got some finger painting pads, and then the United States quarter maps. I've taken out a majority of the coats, and so I'm just going to spread them out just a little bit, so they're not all congested up. And then what I believe I'm going to do, and then you can see at the bottom here, I brought the other shelf down here, so I'm going to put some other stuff on that shelf. And then those cords are actually going to go in one of those red or clear containers that are down at the bottom that you can't quite see. And then what else am I going to do? So I got that bag out that I'm gonna take upstairs. Now I'm going to just push the coats over a little bit, the jackets that are left in here, hang up this jacket I just took off, and then go ahead and move over to this little organizing area over here and see what I want to transfer to the second bin over here, which might be candles for right now, y'all, because I got some candles that I don't want the children to have access to. And so that's what I'm thinking right now. So follow me.
Same energy. When you go low, I go low too. But you'd rather stay high, I know you. Can we stay high, babe? share love in the ocean. But if you wanna go insane, either way, baby, we could go all night. We could do it all night. We could go all night.
Okay, so this is what I was thinking about. So these jackets are the children's jackets. When they come in, we always tend to hang our jackets on the back of this door, and their jackets somewhere else. So I was thinking about putting a couple command strips on the wall, but I actually don't think I'm gonna do that now, so never mind.
So tell me when we on a date, babe. I could keep that same energy. When you go low, I go low too. But you'd rather stay high, I know you. Can we stay high, babe? I'd rather be on that wave, tryna control our emotions. If we on the right side of passion, we could share love in the ocean. But if you wanna go insane, either way, baby, we could go on. We could do it all night. We could go all night, all night. Do we heal, do we bleed? I'ma follow your lead.
Look.
We could go all night.
I've been calm, cool, collected, but you pushing on my nerves. And knowing your intention, I'm under pressure. Okay, I'm admitting that a couple things I said got acidic in the tone. In the presence, I get careless. Long as you know I come with imperfections. When you look at me, you see the soul through my flesh. You something special. Know you looking bomb, the way you dressing, gone flex it, hold it still and let my mind digest. You got the leverage, you got the upper handle on the situation. You worthy of a million more of the storms that we weathered. We fight retreating, then fuck, but you trying to kill the cycle. When nobody's stressing that body like me, I know the way you like it. I treat you like a queen, run the castle, you a treasure. Feel like you setting fire to my desire for the pleasure. You a gem, got me blem, let's make amends. Know you can, I'm out here
Tryna control our emotions. If we on the right side of passion, we can share love in the ocean. But if you wanna go insane, either way, baby, we could go on. We could do it all night. We could go all night. Do we heal, do we bleed? I'ma follow your lead, but we could go all night.
I haven't seen you in a long time. Almost been a year since you broke my heart and tore me apart. Oh, yeah. I've been working on myself, trying to move on. Hooking up with someone else, trying to forget and get you out of my head. No, I deleted all your messages.
Alrighty, y'all, so all these items are going upstairs because they don't have a place down here anymore. Winter stuff, shoes, my random bag that's actually a wine bag. So yeah, all this stuff is going upstairs. And then this stuff, so this is the Xbox that I'm going to put together over there. This is stuff that actually is going to go over there in the other cube organizer. And then that's just their diaper bag. I'm throwing that away. I've had that for forever, haven't even used it. And then over here in this organizer, so what we have going on is these are just hats and like my little head coverings that are not winter related. This one is empty for now. So, you know, maybe I'll find something good to go in there. This one has winter hats, house shoes, winter house shoes. Well, Jamila's winter house shoes, her winter boots. But I actually think I'm going to donate at least these boots because she's not going to wear these again because, you know, winter time is over and done with. So I actually may donate those. And then she actually still likes to wear these from time to time. So I'll just keep them until she grows out of them. And then this one is empty for right now. And then on the bottom here, these are their shoes. This is where we typically put their shoes, and they know where their shoes are, so they don't have to you know, so we don't have to search to find their shoes. That's where their shoes go. And so I'm going to keep them right there just to not rock the boat any. I also cannot let Jamila see that these shoes are going away because she will have it. So let me go ahead and throw these in this bag. But yes, so this is all that we have for now. So this area looks very neat and organized. And then we got the closet that looks way better than what it did. So I am very happy about the way it turned out. And I know you're wondering, why are those go-go squeezes up there? These actually have sweet potato, and we don't they don't really like sweet potato anyway, so we're just gonna give those away. I actually have a buy nothing group that I'm in that I'm going to advertise to give to someone. So yeah, that is all that we have for now. Hopefully y'all enjoyed this quick sort of reorganizing and declutter of this area. And the reason why I didn't go through the filing cabinet is because I actually have a paper declutter. I'll link it in this video, but I actually went through and decluttered this already, and so anything that I'm adding to it is just stuff that I'm filing away, so there's nothing that is out of place in there. So and then right here on the door, what I'm gonna have is just you know, a pair of everyday shoes, a pair of shoes that we will wear out of the house, pretty much not work related, and then house shoes, and then for right now it just has some children's masks. They're little shoe things that we put on so they can't untie them, but they're kind of too over that now. Some protectors to put into the oh my gosh, what are these things called? Socket plugs, I guess, whatever. Some flashcards. These are like some painting mocks, and then these are actually Jamila shoes. I'm actually going to take these out and put these in this other area. But that is all that we have in here, and then we'll just have their jackets on the back of the door as they come in. But that's kind of it. That's kind of all that we have for now. So when we come in, I'll put, you know, their diaper bag there. I'll probably also put my purse there and have that be the landing area for that stuff. My husband also typically like will change his clothes down here so that he can keep his work clothes down here. And so one of these baskets will probably be for his like quick little change of clothes while he's downstairs. But yeah, that's kind of all that we have for right now though. Hope y'all enjoyed that quick little declutter and reorganize of my closet. Hopefully I can keep it that way, y'all. But until then, I hope you all enjoyed this video, and we definitely hope to see you in the next one. And remember, stay tidy.